All right, we're gonna get ready to do something maybe a little sketchy, but see my tree? My little tree here I bought probably about 3 or 4 years ago from a tree place when I bought some other smaller trees. And this tree was raised amongst some pine trees, and it was sheltered from majority of the light, so that made it shoot straight up very fast. So it was not very big diameter when it gained height. And as you can see, it's bent over pretty good. Now currently I have the tree tied off to the swing set, so as the wind was blowing the tree, that would kind of help keep it stable. And even though the top wasn't supported, it would always end up coming back. Well, for this year was evidently just enough wind that it was unable to self-correct. So I need to get this straight again. And I am going to use, I think, a combination of my tractor, the RTV, and an extension ladder to see if I can figure out how to get up there, maybe tie off some bamboo stakes to it and get this poor little guy straightened up. I know it doesn't look like much, but that is really high up and really scary feeling. So I know it looks a little goopy right now, but I will trim it and shape it and get it trained. But it is better and more stable now.